Alright, what's up, guys? So today, this guy here decided to prank me. This guy decided to prank me, and he told me it was his birthday, so he's coming and make a cake for me. But he told me it was a prank, and I just walked all the way from my house to his house.
No, before that, guys, wait. Am I being fair or is it being fair? Like, you are my friend. You should know my birthday. Like, you should know my birthday.
Why did you in the first place tell me that your birthday is today, so I come and make a cake for you?
Well, I was just joking. I was just feeling high or something.
You mean that? I was feeling high. I won't edit it. I will to be inside. Okay, guys, so we are here, and yes, I'm going to make a cake for him for sure. But I'm going to do something with the ingredients I brought. So yeah, I was thinking of making a 1 minute mug cake. So yes, we're going to make the mug cake right now. So if you're interested in this video, kindly stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, guys, let's get right to the video. Let's go. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And yes, today I'm going to a friend's place because a friend of mine told me that he is celebrating his birthday and he wants me to bake him a cake. So yeah, I'm on my way going to his place and trying to see if I can do the cake for him. So yeah, that's what I'm basically going now. So I'll see you guys when I get there. Okay, let's go. All right guys, looks like there's some construction going on here, and we are at the house now, so I'm just gonna ring the bell. Yo, birthday boy, what's up?
No, hold on. What do you mean my birthday boy?
You told me it's your birthday, so I should come and bake a cake for you. That's why I'm here.
No, come on, Kofi. Come on. You should know my birthday. Come on. It was just a prank. I was just joking. So you came all the way from your house, like...
Of course.
But no, it's not my fault. It's not my fault. It's your fault. You should know my birthday.
Wait.
You should know I was joking. Come on, like...
How is it my fault?
No, you should know my birthday. My birthday is not in December. It's not in December. It's in October. So wow. Yes. Oh. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry.
Okay, guys. I'm going back to my house. It's not his birthday.
Oh,
so...
No. Come.
What do you want me to do?
No, come on. You can't walk all the way back to your
So what should I do?
Well, I can't bake a cake, right? I can't bake a cake,
I'm
right?
going to bake a
No, you come.
Let's come and do it.
Let's bake it together and eat. Come on. It's been a while I took some cake, so why not? Come on.
Alright guys, so to begin, I'm going to add a tablespoon of butter to my mug. And we're just going to melt the butter, okay? So we're going to put it into the microwave for about a couple of seconds, okay? So that we get our butter nicely melted, okay? Alright guys, so you can see we have our butter nicely melted. So I'm just going to go ahead and add my sugar, okay? So 2 tablespoons of sugar. And I'm just going to mix everything together. So I'm making 2 types of cake, guys. I'm making a vanilla cake and I'm also making a chocolate cake, okay? So for the chocolate cake, you're not going to add the sugar right away, okay? You're just going to go ahead and add in your cocoa powder first, okay? So 1 heaping tablespoon of cocoa powder. I'm just going to mix everything together so that we can dissolve all the lumps of cocoa powder. So afterwards, I'm going to add in the sugar, okay? 2 tablespoons of sugar as well. Alright guys, you're going to go ahead and add in your milk. Kindly check the description for the full ingredients, okay? I'm going to try and list all the full ingredients in the description box below, so kindly check it out. So after you add your milk, you mix everything together and make sure you're using warm milk, okay? You don't need cold milk for this recipe. You need warm milk, guys. I'm then going to go ahead and add in my flour. And also some baking powder as well. Baking powder, guys, do not use baking soda, okay? Baking powder. You're just going to go ahead and mix everything together as well. It's gonna take a while to fully mix everything in, but then don't give up, guys. Continue mixing this until you get a nice consistency, okay? And guys, look at someone who just decided to help. He doesn't even know how to mix the butter together, okay?
Excuse me.
So yeah, basically that's what we are doing. We're just currently mixing the batter, okay? You just want to mix it until you get a nice smooth consistency, okay? You don't want any lumps in your batter, okay? Yeah. So guys, take note of that.
As I said, no lumps, no lumps. I'm trying my best to get rid of every single lump, but Chef, I think you should take over for me.
Alright guys, so after mixing everything, just look at how smooth the batter is, okay? So yes, this is what you are looking for, okay? So because we are making a chocolate and vanilla cake, I'm just going to go ahead and add in some vanilla essence, okay? We're also going to mix this in. Okay guys, so at this point, you can decide to add in some decorations if you want to. So I'm just going to add in some sprinkles into the vanilla cake batter, okay? You can also add anything you want to the chocolate one, but I'm just going to leave it like that. Alright guys, so look at how messy the whole cup is. So I'm just going to take a tissue paper and then we're just gonna clean the sides of our mug, okay? Alright guys, so once everything is done, we're just gonna put it into our microwave and bake it, okay? So yes, let's get going. Alright guys, we're now going to put it into our microwave, but we're not going to put everything in at the same time, okay? We're just going to do one at a time, okay? So the chocolate one in first. We're going to microwave it for exactly 1 minute, okay? Alright guys, so after almost a minute and 30 seconds later, okay, our beautiful mug cake is done, okay? So there's one thing I realized, okay? Depending on the power of your microwave, okay, the time would vary, okay? It could be a minute, it could be a minute between 30 seconds and even up to 2 minutes, okay, depending on the quantity of your butter and the power of your microwave, okay guys? So if you don't get it ready after a minute, don't lose hope, okay? Just stick it in and then after a minute and 30 seconds, I think everything should be okay. So I'm not going to put in the vanilla one and we're also going to microwave this, okay? Again, we set a timer for a minute. Alright guys, so this is also done. And if you want to test if your cake is done, okay, ready, I hope you guys know this. You insert a toothpick and if it comes out clean like this, guys, it means your cake is ready, okay? So yeah, there we have our beautiful 1 minute mug cake ready. Alright guys, so now I'm just going to do a quick icing for the chocolate cake, okay? We're going to start by adding a 1/4 tablespoon of cocoa powder, some icing sugar, and a tablespoon of milk. Guys, after mixing this whole thing, this is our ganache we're going to be using for our chocolate cake, okay? So I'm just going to pour everything onto the chocolate cake. There we go, guys. You guys want to give this a try? Open up, guys. Let me put it into your mouth. Let's go. Let's go. Oh. Alright guys, so we're going to do a second icing for the vanilla cake as well. So we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of milk powder. Some vanilla essence. Icing sugar. And also a tablespoon of milk. Just gonna mix everything together. Alright guys, so this is also the icing we're going to be using for our vanilla cake, okay? I'm gonna pour everything on it. Do you guys want to try this too? Do you guys want to try this? Oh my goodness, guys. Open up. Open up and let me slide it into your mouth, guys. Let's go. Oh, damn. Alright guys, so we are done and I have the vanilla. I have the vanilla one.
My, oh my.
And
guys, I got a chocolate one.
No, wait.
The chocolate.
The chocolate.
The chocolate. I didn't say chocolate. The chocolate. The chocolate. The chocolate one, yes.
Okay, so guys, we're gonna give this a try and see how it tastes like, okay? This is really nice. No, they be.
Relax.
For you.
It's too much. It's too much in my mouth. Yeah, like it's too much. Give me a minute.
So my only. Mine is nicer. Mine is definitely nicer.
So good. It's so good. It's so good. The vanilla is so good. Not saying the chocolate is bad, but the vanilla is so good. Oh God, I could take this all day.
Open up, guys. Let me put this into your mouth.
How does it feel in my mouth?
You are eating some. That is really good.
It's so good. Oh, chef. Now, this is what you need after a long day's work. Just a little cake to make your day.
Alright guys, so this is the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and share, okay? And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe for amazing content like this, okay? So yes, I hope you learned something new, and I'm going to see you in another video, okay guys? Peace out.